I'm pushing twin turbos in my Ford Flex, making quick decisions without using brakes, quick launches with a quick reaction.
What is up, guys? Today is another day. I'm Automotive. Today we're gonna bring back another video about the Miata and you know, all those Miata projects that I've been having. For all you guys that like Miatas and want to see more about Miata content, then guys, give it a like, subscribe, and hopefully I can see you guys more often on this channel. Today we're gonna get into what I did with the blue Miata, how much I got it for, what is all that I put into it, and how much I sold it for. It's just gonna be a broad video about all these things that I did. Stop, Bo! Stop! Jesus! Can't record a video without my damn dog just hey, chill! Please, let me record a video. Oh, fuck. Alright, guys, so let's continue with what's on the video. Oh my god, hell. Okay, so the blue Miata, if you guys don't know already, I sold it. It was a big project. It took me about 3 to 4 months, but I did get it for $440. I still had to go get the U-Haul trailer and all of that, so it cost me quite a bit of money, well, to get it just the way it really was. So my car, it cost $440 for the blue Miata. The U-Haul cost me $69.30. I didn't have a tow hitch, so I still had to buy a tow hitch. Tow hitch cost me $30.30. The battery cost me $140.47. And then I bought a whole bunch of stuff from O'Reilly's. It's just a really big list of all the things that I had to put into the car. So yeah, man, that's what living in an RV park is all about. Riding go-kart, swimming, fishing, riding boats, kayaking, riding four-wheeler, go-kart, dirt bike, chilling outside, camping, things, listening to music, jamming out, riding family. That's all it is, and it's freaking awesome. You're still living in your house, in your mama's house and dad's house. I recommend you to look into RVs. Just look at this. It is luxurious, bro. Let's get right back to what I was talking about. If you guys have never dropped a gas tank before in your life on a Miata, it makes the job a lot harder when you're doing it by yourself. The whole rear end, you're dropping it down. Don't do it by yourself. I got my gas tank for $25 just because there was a little bit of rust inside. It really wasn't that much. I took a water hose, threw it in there, and I just let it drain water for a very long time until all the little particles of rust came off. So I wasted $14 at Advance. I bought 2 jack stands. They're Husky, and they cost me $54.05. Bought some stuff from O'Reilly's. I had to get 3 fuel pumps until I figured out it is my fuel tank, so I replaced my fuel tank. Fuel pump worked. I had no issues after that. I did have an issue, actually. It all started when I took it to a gas station. I filled it up completely, and then my car just died, and I was there for like 3 to 4 hours. My soon-to-be wife figured out there was no other way she was gonna be able to help me out because she doesn't know how to tow a car with a rope. So I had to call my parents, and my parents had to come, and so it was just a lot of hassle. That was the time when I said I had to change that gas tank, so I changed it out, but it kept dying on me. So I bought a new cast. The cast was $70. I bought it on eBay. Bought a fuel relay that didn't work, $15. My issue was still going on. So the craziest thing ever, I completely stripped out the car, completely. So she's been working for quite a while now, but I got no interior. Done took it all out. I got rid of all the interior, seats, carpet, everything that's in it. Everything else got thrown out. And the craziest part is, my car started right up right when everything was gone out of it. So either I think there was an issue with the wires, I think there was an issue with old gas. I don't really know what was the issue, but it ran. The car didn't run for years. The car was sitting outside. The convertible top was ripped up. The guy I bought it from somebody else who had it for years, just letting it rain inside. So that's why I love Miatas. Miatas are such reliable cars that you can let them in the rain for years and they'll still work with the change of, you know, fuel tank, fuel pump, and relays. I bought the wheels, fuel tank, fuel pump, cast. Bought a top. Top was ripped up. I changed it. It looked very nice. The driver's seat. Okay, so the driver's seat, I paid $65 for the tan driver's seat. That's a lot of money. My passenger seat was free, and I got so lucky to find this amazing lady who was giving out the seat for free. Because I bought a black dash for $65 that was in perfect condition. I bought a temperature sensor that I didn't even install because it was the wrong one, which I need to go return. You know the panel where your license plate goes, the back finish panel? Yeah, I bought that. I bought it for $120. He gave it to me with the emblems and all that, so I guess it was worth the $20, the $120. I bought another set of wheels, man, and these wheels were $100. I drove so far just to go get them. 1 hour there and 1 hour back. I couldn't pass that deal up, and only 2 tires on it were bad. They were balded out, like lady was doing burnouts or something. I don't know, on a Sentra. Yeah, so that was pretty much all I spent, which was $1,809. That's what I spent to make the car look nice. That's including the car itself, the U-Haul, the O'Reilly's tools, everything. That's including everything that I spent just to make that car running. I got $1,691 as profit because I sold it for $3,500. I'm sorry guys that I wasn't able to put that on the videos. I really wish I could. I didn't have a GoPro. I didn't have a good camera. I didn't want to use my phone. My phone was running out of storage. So it was just a hassle. I was going to stop making YouTube videos just because I didn't feel like I was going anywhere with it. But now I am. I'm back. I'm getting the GoPro 9 soon. Be making an unboxing video on that. That's pretty much it with the blue Miata. The red Miata, I parted it out. And I have a list of all the money I've made from it. If you guys want another video about that, make sure that you comment down below. I do see who likes the videos. I do see who subscribes, who comments down below, who dislikes it. I'm trying to build a relationship with people who watch the videos, you know. Anyways guys, that is it for today. Raining outside, I can't really do anything. Y'all stick tuned with the troubleshooting video. My car is still doing the same thing. We'll be making another video on that. Comment down below on what you want to see next, on what you want to see on my Miata, so you could do it on your Miata. So show some support on that, and I can possibly make it happen for you. And I'll see you next time.